I almost forgot. I'd hate to deprive you of this. Salvation lies within.
I wonder if you might get me a rock hammer.
What?
A rock hammer.
It will take a man about 600 years to tunnel under the wall with one of these.
Man missing on Tier 2, cell 245.
Lord, it's a miracle! And up and vanished like a fart in the wind. Nothing left but damn rocks on the windowsill.
I have to remind myself that some birds aren't meant to be caged. Their feathers are just too bright.
Did you add this to your outlook?